Spiritual Storytellers. Welcome to my channel. This is a safe space for us spiritual storytellers to either heal our past or create a brighter future using the magic of storytelling. My name is Maria, and I'm a storytelling coach and the author of Closer to Indigo. And today I have an invitation for you. I'd love to invite you to my upcoming workshop called Crystal Essence, a self-love storytelling workshop on Galentine's Day. Yeah, this is a free 90-minute workshop, and it's all about spirituality, self-love, and storytelling. It combines my love of crystals and my love of essential oils as ways to grow your own self-love, because self-love is where you can really create a beautiful life for yourself. That's where it all starts, self-love. And so I'm offering this free workshop, and it's going to be a small community of us, just a few of us, sharing some space and some time together and learning about ways to grow our own self-love. And first, I'm going to take you through a guided self-love meditation, and then I will give you some journal prompts and for you to explore what came up during your meditation. And I'll give some time that you can use, that you can write in your journal and explore what self-love means to you. And then I'll offer some crystals and some essential oils as possible guides for you to help you on your self-love journey. And I'm all about helping people tell their own stories. And when you can come from a place of self-love, the story that you tell and the life that you live can be extraordinary. And what better day than on Galentine's Day? And if you don't know about Galentine's Day, it was popularized on a TV show called Parks and Recreation. Yeah, so the main character, Leslie Knope, she invented Galentine's Day on the day before Valentine's Day for her friends as a way of sharing friendship. And so she gave gifts, and and they all went for lunch and they all had a good time. And then so Valentine's Day, if they were single, then it wasn't so bad. So this is for anyone, sing gals and sing guys, or anyone in a relationship who wants to join us on this self-love journey. And I have a special gift for anyone who's still at my workshop. At the end, I'm going to do a draw for this Rose Quartz necklace. Yeah, so I have a giveaway. This is the first time I've done this in a workshop. I'm going to be drawing for this Rose Quartz crystal necklace. And Rose Quartz is all about love. It's all the different kinds of love that we can experience. Everything from divine love to parental love to inner child love to love for our planet, love for humanity, love for our pets, and most importantly, self-love. So Rose Quartz is really awesome. And this particular necklace is secret vial. So if you open it up, it's got a screw top lid, and you can put an essential oil inside. Yeah. So that way you get the benefit of the essential oil plus the rose quartz crystal. And I've had this for a couple of years now, but I've never actually filled it with an essential oil. And I thought it would be a nice gift to give someone this year on their self-love journey. So if you'd like to join me for my Crystal Essence workshop, it's free. It's on Eventbrite. I'll put the link below. And then if you stay to the end, hopefully I'll draw your name and then I'll ship this rose quartz necklace to you. So that would be really cool. And yeah, and so essential oils and crystals go hand in hand. And if you love essential oils and crystals as much as I do, and if you're interested in growing your own self-love, then join me on this Crystal Essence workshop on February 13th. It's a Tuesday and it starts at 11 a.m. Pacific time, which is 2 p.m. Eastern, which is 7 p.m. UK. Yeah, so I'd love to have you join us, and it would be great to see you and see what you're up to. And keep creating, keep writing, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.